Hello everyone and welcome to another AboutIT quick tip. In this video I want to show you very quickly how you can fool a Hyper-V VM into letting you install the Hyper-V role on it. This might be helpful for you, as it was in my case, if you want to test some PowerShell commands in 2012 or 2012 R2 without needing to install this operating system on bare metal. Also, one important thing to note is that while you can install the Hyper-V role, you will not be able to run virtual machines. This is because 2012 and 2012 R2 do not support nested virtualization. But you can test commands like creating VMs or modifying Hyper-V settings or replicating VMs and so on without any problem. You will just have the VMs turned off at all time. Okay, so here's the code to do this. It's very simple. The only thing to note is that when installing Hyper-V, you don't use install Windows feature, but you use enable Windows optional feature, the command that you would use normally for the client OS. This is because this command does not check if your OS is supported or not for enabling this feature. While we are enabling Hyper-V, I will also be installing the management tools. It's not needed necessarily, but what good is the Hyper-V role without the tools? And after this we will be restarting the computer. Okay, so I have a simple Windows Server 2012 virtual machine, which is on Hyper-V. As you can see. And I will be running the three commands that I showed you. So after the VM restart, we already see that it worked because Hyper-V appeared here in the role list in Server Manager. And we see our server. Let's see if the Hyper-V tools are also here, which they are. And let me show you quickly what happens if you really try to run also a virtual machine, which, as I said, is not supported and not working. Okay, so we have this test VM ready. Let's try to start it. Not working. But as I said, the scope of this is not to start virtual machines, but to test different commands that do not require them to be started, which for me has been helpful to regain some old knowledge about 2012 that I forgot for some years. So I hope you enjoyed this quick tip. If you liked it, leave a like, a share, and why not also subscribe. See you in the next one.